Welcome back to Superstarglam, a space where I like to share all things of beauty, from reviews to tutorials and helpful tips and tricks along the way. Before we jump in, I just wanted to share and let you know that I am officially back and hopefully be posting unless something drastic happens, but I will be posting much more frequently from now on. Since my last video, obviously a lot of things have happened, a lot of things that are clearly obvious and without our control. So there has been so many changes, so many obstacles, so much that has happened. We have moved also. That's why the process was prolonged even more. But now, in this new place, I actually have my own space, my own room. So I can close the door, create, and just get lost in this room. But I'm just excited. I'm glad. I'm relieved. I've missed my space to just be myself, to just be creative, to just do what I love to do, which is talk and discuss and try and swatch everything that has to do with makeup. So I'm really, really excited, and I hope you are too. So I just wanted to jump in and just give you a little quick room tour, kind of like the behind the scenes of my new setup, and I hope that you enjoy it. But before we jump into that, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the little notification bell. That way you are alerted every time I upload a video. And if you're interested in this little mini room tour, then just keep watching. Welcome to my little room. Since I've recorded this video, I have made a few little changes. So what you're seeing on this wall is actually directly opposite of this. So that's the only changes that I have made while I've filmed this. But I'm gonna get started in this drawer. I'm really not gonna go into details. That's my equipment drawer. This houses my sunglasses. This is my nails, which is pretty intense since I've been dabbing into a little bit of that. And then this drawer is just some of my jewelry, some skincare. I still have another area of skincare that I hold. And this is just a few of my makeup that just has like smaller little palettes. Now this one I'm super in love with and like proud of. If anybody knows me, they know that I have an obsession with collecting eyeshadow palettes, and this is basically a dream come true to be able to house in a bookshelf all my entire collection. So basically that's what you see here. I also did kind of set it up so it could be my background, so it is the background that you will be seeing in my upcoming videos. But yeah, I love the idea of this looking like a real books. I'm obsessed. So comment down below if you have an obsession on eyeshadow palettes as I do. I'm interested to know, or if I'm just the only one. But yeah, this is pretty much my entire eyeshadow collection that you're seeing here. And this has been accumulating throughout the years, so several years since I've been here on YouTube. That's how long I've been collecting. So yeah. This little area right here is basically work in progress. It's just a desk that I have. It houses a lot of my collectibles, like the Disney Beauty and the Beast Belle, which is my favorite Disney princess. And then here is my drawer. It also looks kind of messy because I do have my filming, my lighting equipment in the background, but this is just hair, hair ties, hair scrunchies, whatever, everything to do with hair. This is just miscellaneous, has my contacts, lashes. This drawer has some FX makeup that I use for like Halloween. This is like my body, like waxing and tanning and all sorts of body stuff. This is another nail drawer which has the UV lamp and some nail polish remover. This is the new makeup drawer, so anything brand new goes in there. And then the last one is just has empty containers, and this is pretty much the overview. This is a big tower of a shelving that carries the rest of my makeup. The rolling cart is actually very convenient. I got it at Michael's, and that one I use every time I film. I just roll it next to me. This is just a little bit of like everything else that I own. These containers are from the from TJ Maxx. I've been actually collecting them every time I go, because I am trying to replace the ones from the Container Store. These right here, they actually do not last long. They didn't last through the move. They have cracks. Yeah, they're way more expensive than these that I got from TJ Maxx, and the plastic is way more like durable than the other ones, and way cheaper too. So this is just my glitters, my loose glitters and the pigment glitters. And then I have a highlighting palette right here, my collection of highlighting palettes. I also have blush palettes, and then below that is just the individual blush collection that I have. And then this is just a container of hair products, and then also my contour. And then, like I said, it's just all of the stuff that I own. Basically, I even have some wigs stored there too. Basically on this side is just additional closet space. Not really completely organized. I mean, I could do better, but this will do for now. But it's just an additional closet. I do have a closet that I house most of my clothes, but this is more like outerwear and like pants that I keep out here. This mirror is from Target. It did come cracked, but I love it so much that I didn't want to get rid of it. But this is pretty much it. It's just, my little space, and I'm really excited to film in here. And let me know if you have any video ideas down below, but I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.